This question is from GATE 2016, Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 34. A simply supported beam of length 3L is subjected to the loading as shown in the figure. It is given that load P is 1 Newton, length L is 1 meter, Young's modulus E is 200 gigapascal. The cross section is a square with dimension 10 mm by 10 mm. Bending stress in Pascal at the point A located at the top surface of the beam at a distance of 1.5 L from the left end is dash. We are being given the location of point A and being asked to calculate the stress at this point A. Let's start with writing the given things. It is given that Young's modulus E is equal to 200 gigapascal. Now all the values are given in Newton. So let's convert this gigapascal into megapascal because megapascal is equivalent to Newton per mm square. Next thing, area of cross section is 10 by 10, 100 mm square. First thing, let's calculate the reactions at support and then moment at the given point A. This is the given loading condition. Let the reactions at supports be R1 and R2. This be the x direction and in vertical we have the y direction, origin being here. Let's take the first static equilibrium equation, summation of forces in y direction equal to 0. This gives us upward reactions R1 plus R2, one upward load 1 Newton and one downward load, so it is minus 1 Newton is equal to 0. So we have R1 plus R2 equal to 0, minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 and R1 equal to minus R2. We have one relation between R1 and R2. For other relation, let's equate moment about the origin to 0. Hence we have summation moment about this point O equal to 0 gives us, let anticlockwise be positive, hence moment of 1 Newton about O is positive 1 L. Of this force, downward 1 Newton provides a moment of minus 1 into 2 L, and R2 again creates a moment anticlockwise direction. It will be R2 into 3L is equal to 0. From here we get R2 equal to 1 by 3 Newton. And R1 is negative of R2. So we can write R1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 Newton. Let's write it on the free body diagram. R1 is minus 1 by 3 Newton. That means this reaction is downward instead of upward, and R2 is 1 by 3 Newton. What we assumed is the direction of the reaction, that is upward. To find out the bending stress at point A, we'll have to first find moment at point A and then use the pure bending equation to find out stress. So summation of moment about A is equal to, taking it from the right hand side, we have 1 into 0.5 L minus 1 by 3 into 1.5 L. What we get here is 0. Now if moment is 0, if we use the pure bending equation, m by I equal to sigma by y, bending stress at point A at any location will be my by I, which is equal to 0. Let's mark the answer. Bending stress in Pascal at point A located at top surface of beam is 0 Pascal. To learn more about bending of beams, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Lecture 22, Bending of Beams 1. It is from the course Lecture Series on Strength of Materials by Professor S.K. Bhattacharya. He is from Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.